Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on an Android without a power button. I've had this phone for about a year, and I lost the back, and somehow there wasn't a power button. See the hole missing right there. So I want to show you. I've seen many videos kind of like this, but like ones involving taking out the battery. Well, you don't need to do that. So you need a charger that goes to your phone, and you plug it in. Now let me remind you, your phone got to be at least at 1%. If it's not, it won't turn on. See? Need to charge more to power on. So we gotta let it charge. And I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so I let it charge for a couple minutes, and it should work. Now what you first do is unplug your charger, okay? Now you plug it back in, and when that pops up, you unplug it. Now it should vibrate, and if it doesn't vibrate, it won't work. But it vibrated, so it would turn on, and there you go. You now have turned on your Android without a power button. Hopefully this works for you guys. It's worked for me for a while now. And if you like it, please subscribe. So, thank you.